This is the first test for the robot fish. Here we want to connect to the network of the robot fish. Stop the first connection. Start Wi-Fi control of the robot fish. Here we are connected. Here it is, the robot fish. This is the board. The power is on. Light indicating that the power is on. And the circuit of the control. The robot fish. Here it is. This is the servo motor controlling the center of mass of the robot fish in order to make the required undulation. This is the battery, and these are infrared sensors in order to make obstacle avoidance, and there is two servo motors in the tail of the fish. This red light emitting diode will indicate the control of the PC on this robot fish. Here we start connecting to the robot fish. This is the IP of our robot fish. This is the port number of our sockets, and this command button will start connecting to the robot fish. Okay. This light indicating that the Wi-Fi of the PC is connected to the Wi-Fi of the robot fish. Here we can connect or disconnect. Here we disconnect to the robot fish, and here we can connect to the robot fish. We can hear the sound of the buzzer when the connection is accomplished, and this light emitting diode indicating that the Wi-Fi connection between the robot fish and the laptop is achieved. I will disconnect the Wi-Fi connection between the robot fish and the PC. The light emitting diode here, it is off and there is no connection, and I will start the connection. We see that the light emitting diode is on, indicating that the Wi-Fi connection is accomplished between the robot fish and the laptop. Again, we can disconnect the connection and establish the connection. On the menu of the control program of the laptop, we can start the control of the robot fish, and we can see that the robot starts undulating the tail of the robot fish. Here, the robot fish swim in a straight line. Okay? If we make the sense of the obstacle, look to the tail. The tail is turning to the right to avoid the obstacle on the left. Again, there is an obstacle in the left side of the robot fish, then the robot fish turns to the right. Okay, we start to make another obstacle from the left. We can see that the undulation of the tail of the robot is to the right in order to avoid the obstacle in the right. If the fish reaches an obstacle from the front, the tail will be undulate to the left of the fish in order to avoid the front obstacle. At the same time, the servo motor makes an inclination of the robot fish to swim upward. Look to the servo motor here when we make an obstacle in front of the servo. This servo responsible to make the robot fish swim to up or down. This is an autonomous motion of the robot fish without any control from the laptop, and the obstacle avoidance accomplished due to the existence of the infrared obstacle avoidance.